Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So from tomorrow we are gonna start trading again. I'm very excited and hopefully you had a nice long weekend and you are also pumped up for making money this coming week. So in this particular video I will talk about ticker symbol RELI and also the ticker symbol PIXY, PIXY. These things are nicely set up for a run up this coming week, but at the same time, I'm mentioning few things because of during this weekend, I also made 3 videos: ASTR, Lucid, and BBIG. Please check those 3 videos as well. BBIG, we are doing really good. From 2.2, we went almost 4.3, 95% profit. BBIG is everywhere, lots of volume coming. You can see people are hyping this thing will explode, hopefully. So please check my latest video on BBIG, and also I want to see ASTR because there is a catalyst this Tuesday, also Lucid for January 19th catalyst. So anyway, give a try. At the same time, if you like chart based training with support, resistance, and morning alert so that we can all make some money, please join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, get early alert, and let's make some money. Each and every day we are doing really good. Anyway, let's talk about RELI. So I'm going to talk about the chart definitely, but if you look at the chart, you can see from 2.85, this thing has been running, right? So it was on an uptrend. It was going up, then it broke the trend. And during this uptrend, we played this almost every day for day trading. So it broke the trend, came down, and now it is going over again. So I'm going to talk about the trend and everything. But before that, let's look at few other things. So in general, the average volume is 16 million, and last Friday the volume was only 10 million. So it's less than that volume, but it makes sense because before the long weekend the volume is less. They do not move that much. As per bar chart, their opinion is RELI is a strong buy. Okay, you can see 80% buy rating. If I go to Fintel, people love this because of their high short interest. The current short interest is 25.5% as per Fintel. If you go to different places, you will see 50%, 60% different numbers. But this is as per Fintel. Also, if you look at shortablestock.com, currently there is no shares available. Right? This is a very good thing. At the same time, the cost to borrow fee rate is very high, 274%. I also want to focus you on the Ortex data, which is showing that 25% short interest. At the same time, if I go down, the current utilization is 99.68. This is also good. Cost to borrow, the average is around 338%. So these numbers vary from side to side. But anyway, it has a nice setup. It has very high short interest. At the same time, cost to borrow is really high. So let's look at the chart now. So definitely it was an uptrend. We broke the trend. It is coming down. But if I go to a daily chart, I just want to show how things are moving. The uptrend was happening in a nice volume. Then the volume died. It came down. Now again, last Friday, the volume was really good. In terms of good, you can see a nice big bar. So that is why I want to focus on this one, because when there are lots of social media hype, Reddit talk and everything, more buyers come and they push the price higher. So the 7.6, this is a very interesting area for us because this is the area we like to trade. Even last Friday we made the trade from 7.6. Our target was around 8.8. It was a 17-18% profit. So nice trade. Now the important thing is, in case it comes down, so 7.6, first of all, this is a good entry area. Other than 7.6, I see some kind of support right around 8.2, 8.3 area, because you can see that it got some rejection here. Now if it comes down, maybe it will bounce from here, 8.25, let's say. So in case it comes to 8.25, you can enter with a tight stop loss, or if you see this thing is coming pre-market, maybe get ready to enter around 7.6, 7.5, this area. On other hand, it has a resistance around 8.8, 8.9 area. You see some rejection. So we have to break this, and if we can break this, we can go towards $10. Last time when we did the same thing, we had the resistance around 7.6. Then we made 7.6 as the new support. We ran, we broke through 8.9, we went to 10, almost we reached 10.41. So chart is looking really, really nice. So on a 5-minute chart, you can also see that we went up, we came down, and we bounced off that 8.25. This is the line I just drew, right? So it bounced off that line. So it could be the new support. On the other hand, if it never gives the dip, I see some areas also around 8.6. Why? Because it was the resistance here, it became a support. In case it does not come below 8.6, then maybe this is the new support. So we have to see. Now let's go back to a bigger picture. So I have some lines over 10.55, and if I really zoom out, I want to show you something on a daily chart. Yeah. So they had a split February 2021. So some people also talk about price target of 15, because that 15 I see was a previous resistance. So in case we break 10, $11, maybe 15 is a possibility, but I always like to see from 10 we go to 12, 13, and maybe 15, but I do not want to just jump suddenly. So anyway, this is one. The next one I want to talk is regarding ticker symbol PIXY, PIXY. It was up 22% last Friday, and also after hour up by 4.6%. And they also had, let's go down, nice earnings. So I don't see the news here. Okay, so in terms of the charting, it looks like the stock was at some point $3.5, $4, even 2.5. Then since August, this thing is coming down, 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 found a low around 0.7, then a low around 0.9, and then a nice push. So before I come back to the chart, let's look at few things. So as per Fintel, the short interest is 27.3%, which is good. Dark pool short volume ratio 52%. Zero shares available to short. This is also good. If I go to shortablestock.com, I see the same thing. Zero shares available to short. 111% cost to borrow fee. In terms of volume, the average volume is 10 million. Last Friday's volume was 26 million. So lots of volume came and the price moved. Also, they have option, very, very cheap. The closest strike price is 2.5. One call option is only $5. You can see lots of open interest here. So if you think it will fly, you can buy it. Do not forget, this is a short week. So if you buy 21st of January, you have only 4 days, right? If you want, you can just buy a longer expiration date. Still, the funny thing is this is $5. So you're getting one more month, but you are just paying $5 is the bid. Midpoint is 10. If you look at 21st, the midpoint is 5. Yeah, $5 more. So anyway, it's up to you. But for penny stock, it's not necessary you have to play with option all the time. But look at the line here. So it was moving around 0.9, 0.99, and then boom, from 0.9 it went all the way to 1.47, came down, and currently just moving around the 1.3 resistance. Why 1.3? It was a support here, it became a resistance here, it became a resistance here, it became a resistance again here. So it makes sense it will be acting like a resistance. But if we can break 1.3, I will be looking this area and maybe draw the line from here. 1.5, you see here, resistance here, support here, again resistance here. So after 1.5 we have 1.65, 1.8, and so on. So I will watch this particular stock. I do not want you to jump right away, because I want you to watch pre-market. You know the price action, then you enter. So I'm gonna go back to a 5-minute chart. So in 5-minute chart, I can see this thing has been coming down. So it might come down more, or maybe it might come down all the way to 1.1. If it comes to 1.1, maybe you can think, but personally I might not play this. I'm more interested with PBIG, RELI, and also ASTR, but few people ask me to make a video on this one, so I'm making video. But definitely if I see more volume, more people are coming, then why not? this is for day trading for me, so I just want to make money quickly on this particular one. So anyway, almost 10 minutes. So watch this video. If you like it, then like this particular video. Also go to my playlist. Please watch the other 3 videos I uploaded, especially the BBIG and ASTR. You will find something really useful. Also subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos from me. And also, if you like trading together in a community, then I invite you to join my Patreon, get access to my Discord to get more early alert, pre-market, market hour, and even after hours for day trading, swing trading, sometime for option as well. Only few seats are available, 14 and 3. So give a try. Let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.